Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss about some scientific facts in our daily life. Let us start. Ice and salt mixture is used as a freezing agent by manual ice cream makers. It is the answer. In manual ice cream making, a mixture of salt and ice is always used because salt has capacity to reduce the temperature of ice by decreasing its freezing point. That's why ice and salt mixture is used as freezing agent in manual ice cream making. The next question is, it is not advisable to sleep under trees during the night. Why? Because during the night the plants release carbon dioxide, which is poisonous gas and injurious to health. That's why it is not advisable to sleep under trees during night. Why the greenhouse operators paint their glass roofs white in summer? Because white color is the reflector of light and it absorbs less heat as compared to other colors. As in summer, there is already a very hot season and heat is not required to that level. That's why the greenhouse operators paint glass roofs white in summer season. The next question is, water boils quicker on mountains. Answer is, on mountains the pressure of the air is low due to height, as the air pressure decreases with altitude. In this way, water boils quicker on mountains at temperature less than 100 degrees centigrade, which is the boiling point of water at a ground level. The rainbow is produced in the sky after rainfall and sunlight. After rain, many droplets of water travel in the atmosphere. When sun rays fall on these droplets, dispersion of water occurs, and droplets act as a prism and produce a spectrum of 7 colors. That's why a rainbow is seen in the sky after rain. Milk is considered as an ideal food. Answer is, milk is considered as an ideal food due to the following reasons. It contains all constitute of balanced diet, and milk contains fat. Milk has high nutritional value because it contains proteins as well as minerals. Lunar eclipse lasts much longer than solar eclipse. Answer is, lunar eclipse lasts longer than the solar eclipse because the length of the Earth's umbral shadow cone is more than 3 times the average distance between the moon and the earth. So the shadow is relatively wide at the point where the moon crosses it. Goiter is common in hilly areas. Goiter is common in hilly areas because there is deficiency of iodine in the water. Detergents are better cleaning agents. A detergent consists of hydrophilic and hydrophobic ends. In case of dirt, the detergent pushes up the dirt off the wet surface of the fabric. The washing machine provides the vegetation. Decomposers are important for life. Decomposers break down animal waste and dead organisms in order to get energy and release free nutrients back into the ecosystem. Or decomposers break down organics into nutrients which can be used by living organisms to create new life. Places near sea are cooler in summer. Seawater keeps the temperature moderate. In the summer season, the places located near sea are cooler due to the lower temperature of water. Color blindness is more common in men than women. Women have the sex hormones XH, while men have the chromosomes XY. The gene for normal color vision is found on the X chromosomes. If a woman has one X chromosome with the gene and one without it, she will not be colorblind. On the other hand, a man with an S chromosome that is missing the gene has no backup. He will definitely be colorblind. Colorblind women have both X chromosomes missing the color vision gene. This is less probable mathematically than having just one X chromosome missing the gene. If you liked my videos, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.